Progressive Screen's MagnaTrack motorized screen system is a revolutionary alternative to traditional zipper system motorized screens. The fully patented MagnaTrack system utilizes opposite pole neodymium magnets that are secured into both the track housing and the inner track. The magnets are slightly separated to allow the inner track to float inward during deployment, allowing the screen interlock to easily feed into the track without hang-up, jamming, or pulling out. In addition, the magnetic pull also keeps the screen panel taut when the screen is deployed. The chrome-coated neodymium magnets have an estimated 400-year life expectancy. There is no other system that has this technology or performance guaranteed. The MagnaTrack system is also the easiest system to install and virtually eliminates maintenance and service calls. This installation video will showcase a recessed application. For more details, installation options, and information, please visit progressivescreens.com. Housing installation. The first step to installing progressive screens is the housing. This only requires a few screws into the top or back of the housing and the side caps. Roller tube installation. Once the housing is installed, the roller is installed by placing the motor side into the bracket first and installing the motor clips. On the idler side, extend the pin and rubber sleeve into the housing and insert the pin. Connect the motor to the power source with the included plug. Follow the instructions that came with the remote to jog the motor. Mesh installation. With two people, carefully slide the zipper at the top of the screen into the roller tube. The screen should overhang the roller tube about 3/4 of an inch on both sides. Sidetrack sizing and installation. Measure the height of the side tracks from the floor to the bottom of the housing end cap. Cut the entire track with track insert from the bottom. However, do not measure from the track insert, which is manufactured to extend roughly 3/4 of an inch past the side track housing. Remove the track inserts and install the track housings by fastening through the back of the housing. For face mount installations, fasten through the side channel on the side of the track housing. Weight bar installation. Lower the screen mesh down so the bottom of the screen is about 3 feet from the ground for a stress-free installation of the weight bar. From the other side of the screen fabric, fold the keter out of the way and slide the weight bar onto the bottom zipper all the way over the weight bar probe. Then install the weight bar probe on the other side. First, install one of the weight bar probes onto the screen tab with the 2 screws being placed between the stitching on the tab. Only on the motor side, manually feed the keter into the side track before snapping the track insert into the track. Use the remote to raise the screen fabric with weight bar attached to about 6 inches from the top of the track. Lift the free side up and manually feed the keter into the track insert. Sometimes the roller tube will need to be pulled out slightly on the idler side in order to push the weight bar high enough to insert the keter into the track. Install the weight bar stops on each end of the weight bar. Finishing installation. Using the instructions included with the selected transmitter or remote, set the top and bottom limits of the screen. Finalize any desired programming and syncing of additional remotes before moving on to additional installations. This completes the installation of the progressive motorized screen.